Turn the beat up a little bit more. Yeah. That's good. And it's the best day ever. It's good, Chuck. Hey. I used to tell her keep her hands up off my head, but now she thinks she got it like that. I used to tell her keep her hands up off my head, I think she got it like that. Maybe you could wear my hat, just make sure you give it back. Baby, you could wear my hat if you got something to match. Baby, you could wear my hat, just twist it to the back. We drinking out the bottle while you sitting on my lap. Then we could go outside, let me take you